Good day, my friend. It's February the 1st. I am Romeo the Professor with A2Z Investor. We're looking right now at the coinmarketcap.com. And as you can see, the very first coin that we're looking at, yes, it's the famous or infamous, it's however you want to say it, the Wall Street bets. So we're going to be talking about Bitcoin today. Bitcoin is the topic. And as you can see, Bitcoin is currently at a price of 33,713. It's at what I call a key area. The last 7 days, it's down just about 2.19%. What will Bitcoin do? Some predict that Bitcoin, the next target is $41,000, which I'll see if I agree to it or not. And then we're going to do price analysis on Bitcoin. Okay. When you subscribe, please subscribe to this channel. We invest in crypto, Forex, stocks, real estate. When you subscribe to this channel, you're going to get exclusive trending Bitcoin, altcoin news, technical analysis, forecast for the best cryptos to buy based on the latest data. Okay. So what are we going to do? Let's look at what's going on currently. Okay. So we see Bitcoin right now. That's what our main focus. But let's look at the spotlights. Let's look at what's trending. The last 10 Bitcoins most visited so that we can see what's being most visited. So XRP has been on a move, but we leave that alone. It's the last 7 days we saw a 60% increase. Dogecoin, which we know, I would advise stay away from Dogecoin because I don't think it's a real serious coin, even though you see in 24 hours it did a 36 increase. We're going to focus on the major coins. Bitcoin is a major, Ethereum is a major, Cardano is a major, Uniswap is a major, Graph is a major. Polkadot is a major because the Chinese love Polkadot. It's their Bitcoin. That's how they see it. So we're talking about Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, let's go back. Bitcoin. The last 30 days, Bitcoin is just up about 8%, which is fair. And the market cap is still above 627 billion. So let's look at the news for the day. So Bitcoin targeting 41,000, prancing to bullish bounce back. Okay. Do I think it's going to happen? So Bitcoin experienced a sharp bounce back, rising from 32,000 to above 38,000, and now it's back around 32,000. So I detect that it will. Well, they're saying it will go to $41,000. So let's see what I think about that. So the Wolf of Wall Street, renowned crypto trader and podcast host, emphasized two straight cavities in a trading view chart of Bitcoin, specifically in 4 hours time frame period, which was here. Okay. Now, falling wedges is another indicator of bullish reversal. Also suggests after the Friday breakout of Bitcoin, target could go beyond 41,000. Now, I'll share with you what I think about that, but right now we're still looking at it. Okay. Now, compared to usual scenarios where an asset rises as much as the maximum distance between the wedge's upper and lower trend line, the gap expanded exponentially in Bitcoin case to 11,000 wide, which eventually put Bitcoins en route towards $50,000 per Bitcoin. So, what do I think? What do you think? Let's look at the charts. So I'm looking at the chart right now. It's February 1st, 2021. Before I look at the chart, please, our cryptocurrencies to watch lists are based on the latest prices and user behavior. So we always give watch lists or coins that we're going to buy and be bullish on for the day. So just watch throughout the video and you'll see. Now, none of this is meant to be construed as investment advice. I am not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. So please subscribe now as we start to dissect the chart. Okay. So when I'm dissecting the chart, I look at it from a daily perspective. So the highest of high was 41,890, where you see my red line. That means that's a strong resistance. And where you see my white line right here, that means that's currently right now is a resistant or line that Bitcoin is hard to break, that 34,508. It's hard to push through that line. It's a resistance. However, I think once it breaks that line, it's going to continue and pop over 37,153 and then head up. So I do see it. But once it passed that white line, I think it's going to hit 37,153, then do a little pullback right to 35,000 and then spring. So I do see Bitcoin touching the 41,000 mark this week. Yes, I'm bullish on it this week. I foresee it touching it Friday or Saturday. So from that perspective, yes, I do see that. So that's the price now. Now, is Bitcoin position right to buy? Yes, from where it's at, it's still down about from all-time high. It's still down about 12%. So right now, I would say yes, it's good to buy. I'm bullish on Bitcoin, so that's perfect. Okay. Now let me share with you the coins that I'm bullish on for the week that has potential. We know Bitcoin. We always look at the 30-day. It tells you. We're not going to talk about Ethereum. We're not going to talk about Cardano. Uniswap did a 7-day 58% increase up, but Uniswap is what I'm looking at. The graph, yes. If you can trade Polkadot, if you have a current exchange to trade Polkadot is positioned right. And we like Link. Link right now is good to buy, even though you see within 7 days it did a 10% dip. It's buy. Normally we like buying 15% dips, but it's positioned right to buy. Okay, and Aave. Okay, so that being said, let's go back to it. We're talking about Bitcoin. Do I think Bitcoin this week will pass $41,000? I am Romeo the Professor. Yes, I do believe it'll be passing 41,000 by Friday, Saturday. So subscribe now and hit the bell. This is what I would like for you to do for me. If you can, I want you to do something for me. If you're first time viewing this channel, please subscribe and tell me your thoughts about the cryptocurrency topics we talked about today, Bitcoin, and do you think it'll probably hit $41,000? It's February 1st. I am Romeo the Professor. I'm out with A2Z Investor.